I'm gonna knock out the kitchen. Let me show you what these boys can do. Look. Oh my goodness. There's only 3 boys. And it looks like they got like 6 mouths. That's clean. Still gotta fix it. But what the heck is this? That's sushi. Are you serious? But yeah, watch me dissolve all this and boom. Let's get started. Like at this point, is this even dirty? Ta-da! What a waste! Ta-da! Another waste! Let me just throw it out. My mom hates when I throw away food, but that was from like the party. How many? Trash. Might as well trash this too. Come on now. Trash. I'm gonna go toss this. I'll be back. I just cleared the counter. Okay, you know what? Never mind. I don't want to do this vlog. I cannot talk at the same time. Updating y'all at the same time while cleaning. I suck at it. This is like all new to me. I might just do like, I might just let you guys watch from now on and not say nothing no more. Okay? Okay, so I finished cleaning it. My bad, my bad. I'm so sorry. This is like, I'm too new to this. I don't know how to film it. It was very choppy and I didn't know what angles to use and how to go about it. But anyways, look, check it out. I finished. Yeah. Just for it to be a disaster again tomorrow morning. Okay, watch me sweep. Can you see? Yes, you can. Wipe this real quick. Should we finish the rest? Sweep your mats. That's all I'm saying. Sweep your mats. I don't even know how this vlog is going, but see? The camera's about to die and I wasted the storage. Doing what? I didn't even clean good.